Hi, I made a video quite a bit back when I purchased this cocktail kit, and I said I'd get back to you once when I got it tuned up a bit. It wasn't all that impressive when I put it all together. It had issues, but nothing that you couldn't take care of. So I'll just let you know what I did. First of all, the bass drum was terrible. It didn't sound like a bass drum at all. It was very tinny, it came right up through to the top skin, and it didn't sound very nice at all. So first thing I did, took the head off, cut a bit of packaging, cut it to the ring size and placed it down on the bottom, and that really separated the balance. So when you did hit the pedal, it had a better bass to it and it didn't rattle the top skin. Now I'm not going to take it off to show you what it did sound like, but I can assure you it was awful. Secondly, well, I'll stick to this main tom. I put in an extra snare device just so I can put a bit of a snare to it if I wanted to. I could take that out if I want to, but I prefer leaving it in. Also put a ring on because you get this horrible sound. This tones it down. Much better. Didn't touch the small tom. That sounds great, nice and snappy. The next tom I did put some more padding on the bottom because it made it sound very tinny again. Still not quite right, but again, another ring on top. Much better. The bell, not much to say about the bell, it's not that brilliant. Tend not to use it very often, maybe with the brushes, but doesn't do much for me. Cymbals, again, put three cymbals on. Again, they aren't the best of cymbals. Not all that brilliant, but with a Badnik, I don't know if you can see, a couple of ball bearings. I'll put that on and just see the difference. Put that on. Much better. And that's about it. Well, worth playing around with, getting the best sound out of what you've got. I tend to use brushes a lot if I play with lots of acoustic instruments. I don't like too much sound, so this just tone everything down. Great little drum kit, easy to squeeze in a little corner, and have some great fun. See you later.